If you want to set up the system clone on OnePlus 15, first of all we need to go to settings. Over here in settings, scroll down a little bit and go to security and privacy, and then we're gonna scroll down in order to find the system cloner option. So if you go over here, we can press get started, we can enter the screen lock password, and then we are creating the cloned version of our system. Now over here we can create the password for the cloned system, and we're gonna use the same password type as we use for the main system, because we can then easily switch between these systems through the lock screen. So let's say instead of zeros I'm gonna use ones over here, enter the password again, and there we go, the password has been set, and we can tap on done. We can also use the fingerprint sensor in order to access the system clone without the password, but with the fingerprint, but in my case I'm just gonna skip that. We can enter the system clone, and there we go, this is how it looks like. Of course we need to enter the password for the system clone to access it, and as you can see it looks like this, pretty simple, pretty standard, like a new setup on our phone. There we go. And also, as you can see, we may see the system cloner settings that you might want to go through if needed. Now if you want to go back to the main system, then you can lock the screen, reveal the screen lock password, and then we can enter the password of the main system. And there we go, we can easily switch to the main system. But if I of course want to go to the system clone version, then we should be able to enter the system clone password. So this is how you can easily switch between our two different systems. And that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.